Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to get images from an API call and load them into your app, Swift. So it's quite similar. All we have to do is get the API call, then we get that data, and then we can just set that data to an image view. So I have a Apple image on the right here, and this is its address if you guys want to use this too, or you could just search something up and just find something. This is just the pure address where it's stored and everything. So now I can go to my main.storyboard and just add an image view, and this is where we're going to be displaying this apple. So if I just drag in an image view, I'll give it a height, width, and then just center it as so. Oops, that was not what I wanted to do. Let me just get rid of that. And we can set a outlet to this, so I just call this image view. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is in the view did appear, I like to do everything in my view did appear now, just because view did loads a lot at the start as well. Super.view did appear animated. So this only gets executed once the view actually appears. So now what we're going to do is first we need to do is create the URL. So I'll just do that. Let URL equals URL string, and then I can copy that and I'll just put that in like that. Now we can actually create our URL session task. So URL session dot dot shared dot data task with request, and this is just URL, and then we can start this like that, and we'll have to resume it, so just put that in there, and now we can get our data over here. Like one sec, let me just data response error in, and now I believe I have to unwrap that. Let me just think that should correct all the errors. Okay, so now we actually have our thing. Now we can just use this data to load this image in. So what you'd actually want to do is you'd probably want to check if this data exists. We can use a guardlet for that, just in case it's like the wrong address or something and it doesn't work properly. So we'll just use a guardlet to make sure that this data is not null. Null data error is equal to nil, just making sure that there's no error, and then if there is, we'll just return out of the statement. Return. Okay, now we can actually use this data. So we need to do this in the async so that it doesn't slow down the actual app. So dispatch queue dot main dot async, and then we can just do self dot image view dot image is equal to UI image data, and there we go. So now let me run this, and hopefully we do get a image of a apple in the image view. And yeah, there we go. So you see it took a few seconds to load, but now I actually have this image of an apple. I can demonstrate this a bit better. I'm not too sure like what else I can do. Maybe if I do let me search up an image of an orange image, and I'll just go to images. I don't know what to do, like I'll just go to this, copy image address, then go to this, and this is the image address. So now I'll just copy this whole thing and I'll just put that in like that, and if I run this again, we should get this orange image now in our thing. There we go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.